I came to the International Conference for the Cancer and Oncology Research in Rome, June 19 to 20, 2023. And it's been an amazing experience so far. I've had a great time speaking, presenting my case, and getting a lot of positive and interesting feedbacks from smart and brilliant scientists who's also flew in from all over the world to be here. I have also learned a lot from some of the presentations that have been given today concerning cancer treatments and in some cases of cancer diagnosis, colorectal cancer, and all sorts. There's a huge diversity of professions and professionals here. Chatting with some of them has been mind-blowing. I've learned a lot of things from all the professionals, from most of the professionals I've encountered around here. And yeah, it's been a wonderful place to network with colleagues, with some very brilliant people from different parts of the world. And it's interesting to see what amazing things people are doing in their practices in Israel, East Africa, in Brazil, in all parts of the world, really, and also within Italy here as well. And people, the venue has been amazing. The people are very friendly. The facilities have been great. We've been much more than welcome here. It's been very comfortable. And yes, back to the conference regarding the academic aspect, I've learned a lot, and yes, I have enjoyed being here, both academically and socially.